I just want to do a quick shot of a feature that's newer to Canva that I wanted folks to know about. Whiteboard is right here. Whiteboard's a really cool tool, especially if you particularly miss Google Jamboard from back in the day, or even like the Nearpod collaborative boards. You can search for templates right here, and let's see here. I want idea map. Okay, so here we go. Farm adventure, mind mapping. Here we go. I want mind mapping, and it brings up all these different sorts of things, and I can go, okay, I want it to look like this. There we go. And so it'll build it out with me on this whiteboard. And these whiteboards are interactive. People can join in on them. So you can add folks with editing access, and you can assign these whiteboards with a link straight through, or assign in Google Classroom, so you can create these whiteboard activities that students can interface with, especially with more and more touchscreen Chromebooks being available around the district. The ability to interface and interact with whiteboards on software like Canva is going to become a thing that can be really helpful to teachers. So we just wanted to let you know that those are now available, these whiteboards, and they work and they save just like here's those whiteboards. So you can, similar to the presentations, that you can add elements in the same way. The share's a little bit different, but that is one of the brand new features in Canva. Feel free to check it out.